This is the explore views of the earphone. Okay, let's go and see the views of this earphone. Okay, here for the detailed information about the earphone. You can see it has shown all the parts name of our earphone. Let's see for more detail about our earphone here. This is a component and it's going to use the part. Okay, please check for the detail of the earphone.